Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imran Yousuf, and I have attended Dr. Sadath Khan's event here in Jeddah on 4th, 5th, and 6th of April. To say that the event was transformational is an understatement. I have attended so many programs and spent tens and thousands of dollars on so many different programs around the world, including Harvard Business School, London Business School, and I have studied hundreds of books on personal development, including Jim Rohn's, Brian Tracy, Anthony Robbins, Brandon Burchard. I'm a keen and astute student of personal development. I also am very keen student of Quran, Tafsir, and learning, and learning about life, what life means, and helping people bring the best out of them is my passion. And each and every program that I've attended, they have promised transformation, changes. Your life will never be the same again. So with that, the believability was very low when Dr. Sadath Khan came and he claimed the same, that after this program, when we leave, we will not be the same. But this is the first time that I have ever attended a program that has delivered on their commitment. I can tell you with 100% confidence that this program is going to change you. The question is, are you ready? Because when the student is ready, the teacher appears. So the teacher is here right in front of you. He has all this stuff. It's all up to you how much you want to drink from this well of wisdom and how much you are willing to change. This program has immensely affected me, transformed me and my family, and I'm really grateful to Dr. Sadath Khan for this opportunity.